Here we have Splitfire's 4003-2 wood chipper. This chipper is a 5-inch chipper hooked up to a 35 horsepower tractor. We have a 3-to-1 Coma gearbox taking the PTO power off the back of the tractor, going into a 2-blade wood chipper rotor. We also have a 3-blade variant, which is the same frame size, but that's meant for tractors 50 horsepower and greater. With the 35 horsepower, we could put a 5-inch branch in here and the machine wouldn't slow down. This chipper here has the same features as our self-contained models, with a 360-degree outfeed chute and our large infeed chutes to make it easy for use. Overall, this chipper is a simple, rugged design that's meant to last and work for the everyday farmer.